If you are looking for an AI image generator, you have probably come across Kie.ai and Imagine.art. Both promise fast, high quality visuals, but they work quite differently. So, in this video, I'll compare them side by side to help you decide which one is actually worth using. What is Kie.ai? Kie.ai is an AI powered platform mainly focused on automation and content generation. It's often used for generating visuals alongside other AI tasks like text and workflow automation. It's more of an all in one AI tool rather than just an AI image generator. So, if you need multiple AI features in one place, Kai.ai might appeal to you. What is Imagine.art? Imagine.art is a dedicated AI image generator. Its main focus is creating high quality, artistic, and realistic images from text prompts. It offers different styles like anime, realistic, cinematic, and more. So, unlike Kai.ai, it's built specifically for visual creativity. Ease of use. When it comes to ease of use, Imagine.art is simpler. You just type a prompt, choose a style, and generate your image. Kai.ai, on the other hand, can feel more complex because it includes multiple tools and features, so beginners will likely find Imagine.art easier to start with. Image quality. Imagine.art clearly has the advantage here. Since it's focused only on image generation, the quality tends to be more detailed and visually polished. Kai.ai can still generate good images, but it is not as specialized. So if your main goal is high quality visuals, Imagine.art is the better choice. Features. Kai.ai stands out with its broader feature set. It can handle automation, text generation, and other AI tasks beyond images. Imagine.art is more limited but more focused. It includes style presets, prompt tools, and customization options for images. So it comes down to this. Kai.ai equal versatility. Imagine.art equals specialization. Pricing. Both platforms offer free plans or trials, but with limitations like credits or watermarks. Imagine.art usually charges based on image generation credits. Kai.ai pricing can vary depending on the features you use. Overall, Imagine.art is more straightforward if you only care about images. Use cases. Choose Kie.ai if you want an all in one AI platform, you need automation and multiple AI tools, and if you are working on workflows, not just images. Choose Imagine.art if you want high quality AI art, if you are focused on design, content, or social media visuals, and if you prefer a simple and fast tool. Pros and cons. Kie.ai Pros. Versatile all-in-one AI platform, useful for automation and multiple AI tasks. Good for workflows-based users. Kie.ai Cons, not specialized for image generation, can feel a bit complex for beginners. Image quality is not its main focus. Imagine.art Pros. High quality AI generated images, very easy to use, great for creators and designers. Strong focus on visual output. Imagine.art Cons. Limited features outside image generation, works on a credit based system, less useful if you need broader AI tools. Final verdict. If you want a powerful all in one AI platform, go with Kai.ai. But if your main goal is creating stunning AI images quickly and easily, Imagine.art is the better option. And that's it for today's comparison. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos about topics like this. Let me know down below in the comments which option do you prefer and why. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.